Digestion, the hidden process that turns the food we eat into energy and life. Inside every human body, a remarkable system works silently and perfectly. Today, we take a brief journey through this incredible pathway. Digestion begins in the mouth. Teeth break food into smaller pieces, while saliva softens it and releases amylase, an enzyme that begins breaking carbohydrates into simple sugars. This first step prepares the food for the journey ahead. After swallowing, the food moves through the esophagus, a muscular tube that pushes the food downward using rhythmic motions called peristalsis. These gentle waves guide the food safely into the stomach. Inside the stomach, strong acids and enzymes go to work. Hydrochloric acid kills harmful bacteria and helps break food into a thick liquid called chyme. Muscular churning ensures everything mixes evenly, a powerful chemical and mechanical process combined. The chyme then enters the small intestine, the main site of absorption and the true engine of digestion. Its walls are covered with millions of villi and microvilli that absorb nutrients with incredible efficiency. Proteins become amino acids, fats turn into fatty acids, and carbohydrates become simple sugars, all entering the bloodstream to fuel the body. The liver and pancreas support this stage. The liver releases bile to break down fats, while the pancreas releases enzymes that help digest proteins, fats, and carbs. Together, they make digestion smooth and complete. Whatever remains now enters the large intestine. Here, water and minerals are absorbed, and friendly bacteria break down the last bits of material. Slowly, the waste becomes solid and is prepared for removal. The journey is almost complete. Conclusion. From the first bite to the final step, digestion is an incredible system of coordination and precision, a masterpiece happening inside every one of us. This is the amazing journey of how our body turns food into energy,